Well, it's written in the stars and in the book Clem